Hello, everybody. Welcome. I know. Hope y'all are happy to see me. I'm happy to be making a video. I've taken a couple of, probably now a couple months off. I just hadn't been ready to make no videos. Nothing's happened. Everything's doing good. I needed to get some stuff done because I had a bunch of stuff that needed to be done, and filming it just was getting to be rough. So I took a little time off. I got a bunch of stuff done, and I went ahead and did something that I was going to film, and I'm fixing to show it to you here in a minute. But don't fret none, because as things would happen, Lord look after us. We got another one here. And if the one that I got does what I want it to do, y'all will probably be watching us do another one. So, I'll show you here in a minute. What I want to tell you is, hopper stock, we're going to have it at TW's place, TW Hodges, or Dub Saw Shop, up in Hurt, Virginia on May the 18th. I got to get address and everything from him, and we're going to make a post and place it on here and on Hopper Nation, and maybe run it on Instagram and some stuff like that, so anybody that's following me will see it. Hopefully that'll take care of everything so people will be able to see it. I'm not the best at this. All of y'all that's been watching me for a long time know that, but I do the best I can. So one of these days, I'm hoping I can get me somebody to help me that knows how to do some more of this stuff, so y'all get some better videos out of it. But I really hope this works, and I hope y'all like this, because this is a thing that I know absolutely nothing about. This is my 500i. I got it as a parts saw. I put it together, done support work on it and everything. Tried to fire it up. It will not run. Has no fire. I do not know why. My inkling tells me that the ignition module's bad, and I hope that's what it is. Well, as luck would have it, I got a hold of one that runs, which we'll probably be porting it, and it will be for sale. You'll see it when I port it, if everything goes good with this one. So what I want to do now is, I have not fired this thing up. I do not know how it runs. I don't know if it'll run. All I know is I tried to, and it wouldn't grind. So we're going to take these couple of pieces off of it over here. You got to pop that off, and then you got to pop this black piece off. You got to unplug these 3 plug-ins. And that one, the weather stripping likes to stay on the plug because the plug in that computer's broke. Let's see if we can get this off here. These things are kind of a royal pain in the duck to get loose. But unfortunately, you have to take it off to get the computer off of it. The computer. Now hopefully, oh yeah, I forgot one thing. I was thinking like I'd already taken that screw out, but I have not. Hopefully when we swap this thing, we'll pull the rope 3 times and it'll fire off and run. Hopefully. I don't know that it will, but I hope it will. Because if it don't, then we just gotta keep swapping parts until it does run. Because I don't know how else to do it. Come on. I know it just slid out of there, but for some reason they're kind of a looks to be the same size. Why didn't y'all tell me I was putting it in backwards? Thank you. Put that on there. We might just bolt this back piece on there and try to crack it without putting it all the way together. And I'm hoping that this is the issue and there's nothing else wrong with it, because everything else looks good. That wire, I wrapped it up with a little bit of tape because I wasn't pleased with the way it set. There we go. Them wires back where they belong. Somewhere another little black piece. What that is for is beyond me. I have no earthly idea. You know what? Let's just pretend it's going to work. I had to do a little cutting on this cover to get it to go on here. These things are a royal, and I mean royal, pain in the Bertsky. I ground on that one a little bit. That made it easier. Whew. I know. I haven't switched back over to the right one yet. Snug these up with this because they're aluminum screws. Throttle works. Alright, we're going to put her all back together. I don't know if I'm not going to take it back there. I'm not going to take it back there and take all the open the door and all that stuff, because I don't know if it's going to run or not. I've never heard it fire, so I have no idea what it's going to do, what it's going to sound like, if it's going to crank and run. Lord, just let this thing run. All right, it's not exactly easy to pull, so here we go. Now Daddy's happy. All right. I know exactly what y'all want to see. And I want the same thing. Now, I will tell you it's raining. But my camera is moving on its own. It is raining. But I tell you what, it ain't raining real bad. So, I got a bar and chain. I think it's a stock chain. I don't know. We're going to slap it on here. We're going to take it to the wood pile. We're not at the wood pile yet. I may have told y'all fib. I said I had a new bar. I forgot I had this 28-inch that come off of one of my 661s. I do not know exactly how sharp this chain is, but it's sharp enough it'll cut. So let's go out in the rain, see if the phone will survive, and we'll see if we can make a cut. All right, we got here a piece of maple. It's probably 18 inches. Let's see if this thing will fire up again. Piece of bark caught me. the screen. That's all we're gonna fool with right now. Plan on racing it against the 462. Same bar and chain. We'll see what makes what. We're not gonna do it quite in this video. Well, because it's raining and I don't really like getting wet, as y'all know. My glasses are slipping down my head, fixing to fall on my face while I'm walking. Whoo! And here they go. There we go. Auto installation glasses. Come on. I get y'all set back up her. I think she runs pretty good. You could probably use another port and a muffler, but I wasn't trying to go stupid on it. So, yeah, I like it. All right, we're gonna walk back in the shop. All right, setting back down. Whew, well, that's what it is. This ignition module is bad. I kind of figured that was the case, but nonetheless, big thanks to Brendan Cass, because he brought me his OEM saw. Like I said, he brought it over here because he don't want it. He got another saw. He got another 500i. And he said, take it, use whatever parts you need, figure out what's wrong with yours. When you get done, you can port the other and sell it if you want to. I said, okie dokie. So that's what we're going to do. I'll probably film porting the other one, and then it's going to be for sale. So I don't know exactly how long it's going to be before I get it out. But when you see the other 500i build, you'll know that it's time. We won't discuss prices on here, but you know, it'll be cheaper than some of the other ones that you've seen. But it's a nice saw. And I'm not going to show it to you until I get ready to build it. I got to get me an ignition module for this one, and then we'll be ready to do the other one sometime. All right, y'all. Don't forget, May the 18th in Hurt, Virginia, at Dub Saw Shop, OTW. That's where we're going to be doing hopper stock at. Smitty was wanting me to do it up at his place. Now, I do want to do it up yonder, but Mama's due in June, and she don't really want me that far away from the house when she's 8 months pregnant. The Dubs ain't that far away, so maybe next year. Oh, and if anybody's wondering, nothing happened between me and Brendan. His wife planned a trip over the weekend that we were supposed to have hopper stock, just because she forgot about the event. So there's nothing going on there. So don't speculate or think that there is, because he was over here the other night. We rebuilt his oil control valve on his skid steer, and he brought me that 500i. So we're just fine. So y'all don't think nothing of it. It was just a mishap of planning. Happens sometimes. But hope y'all enjoy this one. If you do, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more. If you're new to the channel, we appreciate you. I usually post every day. I'm probably not going to post every day anymore. It's just a lot of filming, and I just ain't been getting anything done, and it's gathered up, and I have things that need to be done. But we'll see if we can get a schedule to where things is going. So I appreciate every one of you. Y'all have a good day. Stay safe. Be kind. Treat each other the way you want to be treated. God bless. Remember, Jesus loves you. So do I. Bellhopper out.